Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to recapitulate plant cell and animal cell. Children, we know that there are three basic parts of the cell. First is the outermost covering, which is called the cell membrane. Second is the nucleus, and the third is the cytoplasm. Children, the cell membrane is surrounded by the every cell, and it is sometimes called the plasma membrane also. The cell membrane separates the cell from its external environment and form the neighboring cells. The nucleus is the most important part of the cell. It is two vital functions that control all the activities of the cell and to facilitate cell division. So that this spherical organelle is usually located in or near the center of the cell. Next is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a sticky, semi-fluid material found between the nucleus and the cell membrane. The chemicals analysis of the cytoplasm shows that it consists of proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, minerals, salts and water. Mitochondria, which is called the powerhouse of the cell, and the main part of the cell, which is called the cell organelle. It helps in breaking down of sugar molecules to release the energy and site of the cellular respiration. It is the double membrane structure and self-replicating because it contains their own DNA. Next is the Golgi apparatus, or we can say the Golgi body. Golgi body's main functions to package the proteins made by the ribosome so that they can be sent out of the cell and the UPS stores of the cell. Next is the vacuole. Vacuole is the storage tanks can hold the food, water or waste for the cell. Ribosomes, which makes the proteins for the cell and can be found attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or free in the cytoplasm. The lysosomes, which are called the stomach of the cell and helps the cell to digest the food and waste and also the worn out cell parts. Endoplasmic reticulum, which is the transportation network for the cell and moves the materials around in the cell, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the soft endoplasmic reticulum. Mainly there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Next is the cell wall, which is the rigid outer structure and outer layer made up of the cellulose that supports and protects the cell from the plants, fungi and bacterial cells. The next is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a special plastid that contains the chlorophyll, a pigment that captures the sunlight or sun energy to produce the glucose in a process called the photosynthesis. The centriole is the spatial part of the cytoskeleton called the microtubules. Helps the cell division and migrate the opposite ends of the cell to assist the cell division. So children, you can see the picture of an animal cell. In the animal cell, there is the nucleus is present in the center and all the organelles which are present like mitochondria, ribosomes, smooth ER, rough ER, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, all are present here. And the centriole is also present, and it is the outer covering which is called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Children, this is the diagram of the plant cell in which you can see the extra covering which is made up of cellulose. It is called the cell wall. After that, the cell membrane is also present and cell organelles are present like Golgi apparatus, smooth ER, rough ER. There are cytoplasm in which the mitochondria is present. But children, the vacuoles is also present, which is large in the size, so that the central goes to the periphery. Nucleus goes to the periphery. Children, this is the Venn diagram of the plant cell and animal cell, which the help of you can see that cell wall and chloroplast is present only in the plant cell, but the centriole is present in the animal cells. Other organelles and the protecting covering like cell membrane, ribosome, nucleus, ER, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuoles, mitochondria, cytoskeleton, all are present in both plant and animal cells. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Today you should revise this topic and tomorrow I will take your test of this chapter. Thank you children.